Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video, we are gonna look how we can add your family details on Justdial app. For that, just open the Justdial app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the profile option on the top left corner. Just tap on the top left corner. After tapping on that, just tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. In here, we just need to go to the edit profile option. So in here we can just see in the below of the addresses option, you can just see the family and friends option. Just tap on the family and friends option. After that we can see an plus icon or add icon on the bottom right corner. Just tap on it and then enter their name here, first name and the last name, also the relation right here. After that just enter their mobile number, also the email ID. After that don't forget to tap on the next option on the bottom right corner. So this is how you're gonna add your family member on your profile in Justdial app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.